Okay, so now we went out and tried our luck at star photography, and by God, I have to tell you, it is the bane of my existence right now. So let's get into it.
Hey, I'm excited about photography, and I hope you are too. So let's learn together.
Okay, let's try this one and see what we could do with it. First thing I'd like to do is create a virtual, so we're not messing with the original. It's always a good thing. Keep the original where it is. Now this is going to blow it out. This whole section here is going to get blown out. Watch this. Boom. Now you lose the whole night sky. This turns very green, which I guess it was kind of green, but it's like too green, like a tint green. And there's supposed to be a Milky Way right here, at least a piece of it. So I'm thinking to myself, let's not do auto. Oops. Hell, let's just reset it. Only thing we did was the lens correction. Lens correction, that I always like to do. Aside from that, we're going to want to bring some of these stars out here. Let's see if we do. Start with a gradient. I always forget noise is one way or the other, right? Can't remember. I think it's reduces it this way, increases it that way. No, it gets rid of it this way. Call that done for now. And let's bring this down to 16 by 9. Little twig right there. Should get rid of that. Let's take out the star reflection or the sky. Hey, not bad for my skill set. Can you kind of imagine there's the Milky Way right there? Oh boy. I have got to work on my nighttime photography, or my astrophotography. There's no doubt I need more practice. And I will get more practice, and I will get better at this. Just don't know what else to do to make this photo really pop.
Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.